Hey everyone, it's Sean and welcome to Invest with Fire. In this video, we're going to talk about the relationship Bitcoin and Ethereum have and how we can use the market cap dominance as an indicator to evaluate the situation, the market, and to become a better investor. Now, if this video is helpful, like and subscribe. It helps get the video out there and it helps support this channel. And follow me on Twitter at InvestWithFire for more up-to-date information. Now, on the screen right here, on the top, this is the market cap dominance of Bitcoin, and this is the market cap dominance of Ethereum. And right now, the dominance of Bitcoin is at 43.7. Now, how this number is calculated is you basically take the market cap of Bitcoin right here, and you divide it by the total global crypto market cap, which is at $2.89 trillion. So if we do 1.2 divided by 2.89, that's 0.415. And of course, this isn't going to be exact because it depends which exchange these numbers are being pulled from. And these are also weekly charts too. So on the screen right here, you can see that we see some kind of relationship, right? We see an inverse relationship. So when the dominance of Bitcoin goes down, that's when the dominance of Ethereum goes up. Now, this relationship doesn't always play out exactly, but we can use this relationship to understand where the market's at, and we can use this as another indicator of when to possibly buy and sell. But this is only one thing that we can use to figure out where we're at in the market. So let's take a look. So I'm going to pull up some lines right here, and you can see that we definitely have some kind of support right here in this region, around 41%. And for Ethereum, it looks like we have resistance around here at 19.47%. Now, the relationship we tend to see is that when Bitcoin dominance goes down, then the Ethereum dominance goes up. And so, for example, we see back in December 2020, when the dominance of Bitcoin was at 70%, that's when the dominance of Ethereum started rising, right? And when the dominance started going down, that's when the Ethereum dominance started going up around this region right here. And that's where it peaked. So right now, we can kind of see, hey, the dominance of Bitcoin is in this lower part of the region. And looking at the charts of Bitcoin and all the indicators, it does definitely look like we have a bullish scenario for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin can make its run up here. So if Bitcoin starts making its run, that's when the dominance starts increasing. And what we see in the past is that when the dominance of Bitcoin runs up, then Ethereum will start to go down like that. And the reason why is that when the price of Bitcoin starts going up, people start taking their profits or taking their money from altcoins and start rolling it into Bitcoin. And this is what we tend to see in the past. We can also see kind of when we see the rotation from Bitcoin to altcoins. So, for example, if we take a look back in 2017 and 18 on this chart right here, and we can definitely see when this transition happened. When the dominance of Bitcoin peaked right here and it started going down, that's when people started rotating their profits into altcoins right here. And we see this peak right here of Ethereum happened over here. And this happened over a span of about, let's see, about 42 days, where the profits were rotated from Bitcoin into Ethereum, 49 days. So you can definitely see the rotation that happens. And you can also see this here, right here, where the dominance of Bitcoin peaked and it started going down, and that's when the dominance of Ethereum started going up in this region right here. And this happened over a region of about 21 days. So we have a span of about 21 to about 49 days right here. And you can see here when Bitcoin started going sideways and started going down, that's when again Ethereum started going up. And let's see what this span is over here. And this is a span of 28 days. So we could say that when Bitcoin starts going up and when it starts trading sideways and starts going down, we can possibly see this scenario could play out where Ethereum follows, right? The dominance drops, starts trading sideways a bit, and it starts lagging, but then it starts going up. This is the relationship that we've seen play out. Now, it doesn't always play out this way, but it has happened in the past. And we can use this kind of this chart and indicator to see where we're at with the altcoin market. So it may look like altcoins are a little bit overvalued in terms of market cap dominance, especially when Bitcoin starts going up and people start taking their money from altcoins and rolling it into Bitcoin. So it's just important to be aware and to understand this relationship so that you know what's going on. So when Bitcoin starts going up, right, and altcoins start bleeding and everyone's like panicking and saying, hey, my altcoins are just dropping like a rock, it's important to understand that we've seen this before, just based on the past. So we know what to expect so that we become more rational traders and understand, hey, altcoins are bleeding, this is a good time to buy. I hope this video was helpful. It's just important to understand where we're at in the cycle and the relationship of Bitcoin and altcoins so that we can understand what's going on. So if this video is helpful, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter @InvestWithFire, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.